never thought it would be so inexpensive to find business cards anywhere. They're thicker than the ones I originally got from Vistaprint. This is what they look like. I don't know why I'm being dramatic. I really like my makeup look today. If you guys want to see this makeup look, I filmed a video and I will link it right there. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get some $8 business cards, okay? Like, I was searching online in November for like more affordable business cards because Vistaprint, it's not super expensive, but it's just like there has to be other places that you can get business cards from. So I was like, let me get on Google and search to see if there's somewhere else I can find business cards from. And I found this website called Awesome Merch. I think that's the name. Let me double check. Yeah, it's called awesomemerch.com, and I ordered from them one time first because I wanted to make sure that it was a legit company before I decided to buy multiple sets of 100. Sorry, my dogs are barking. But before I decided to buy multiple sets of 100 business cards from them. So I ordered more today, and I did like a screen recording of how I ordered them because their website is a little bit different than other websites I've seen for you to order business cards. Like, it's not like Vistaprint at all. Today's video is going to be showing you guys how I ordered my business cards. It's not going to be how to make business cards, but if you guys want a video on how to make a business card, there's tons of video on YouTube on how to make your own business card. I made my actual business card on Canva. There's other videos out there already on how to make a business card on Canva from scratch. So just Google that. Not Google it, but YouTube it. And I'm sure you guys will be able to find a video on how to make a business card. But this is just showing you guys how I ordered my business card. I already had the PDF file on my computer. Yeah, I wanted to share that with you guys. But before we get into the video, make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on all those notifications so you guys can be notified every single time I upload a new video. Make sure you go follow me on Instagram, on both of my Instagrams, on Shelly's Daughter and Shelly's Daughter Beauty. Yeah, so you guys can see when I go on live, so you guys can tune in and chat with me. What else am I trying to say? Oh yeah, my website for my lip glosses will be linked down below. Today I'm not wearing my own lip gloss. Today I'm wearing lip gloss from Kayla Couture, eyeshadow palette from Chocolate Girl Wigs, lashes from The Dolled Up Beauty, and my necklace is from Leanne Collection. My bracelets are from Honey Lux Bangles. And yeah, let's get into the video.
All right, you guys, so first I'm just going to the internet and typing in awesomemerch.com and heading over to the website, and I created an account. I don't think you have to create an account to order from them, but I went ahead and created an account because I like them and I knew I was going to be ordering from them again once I got my first set of business cards. And I'm just clicking the $8 only option and clicking the option for 2 different images on both sides, on each side, because my business card is double-sided. But if your business card only has one side, just put one side printing. The website is pretty self-explanatory to navigate, but it can seem a little sketchy that they want you to pay for the business card before you upload the artwork. But yeah, so I'm just paying for my 100 business cards for only $8. And that's actually including the shipping. It's free shipping, you guys. But yeah, I had to black out my address and my credit card information. So that's where these obnoxious black boxes are there for. But yeah, so that's it. I'm done ordering the business card. Now that I ordered it, I'm uploading my artwork. The artwork is pretty much just uploading your file for your business card. And that's what I'm doing here. Don't copy and paste it in the section like I did. That's not the right thing to do. I messed up just now. But I just left it in there so you guys can see, so you don't make the same mistake. And yeah, just upload your PDF file like normal. And yeah, it's just uploading. And boom, it's that easy. It saves automatically, I think. And then I was just double checking it. But you can click the option to preview it. But I already knew this was the right size because I ordered from them before. Yeah, I don't know what I'm clicking right now. I don't know what I was doing, but yeah. So I'm just showing you guys that it is double-sided, both sides of the business card. And boom, that is it. Is super simple. And then I just put a little note here to let them know that it is a double-sided business card. Just in case they open up the file and see only one photo, I always put an extra little note. I say always, like I ordered for them a bunch of times. This is my second time ordering, but that's it. I hope this was helpful and pretty easy to follow along. If not, there are instructions on the website on how to order from them, but I just wanted to show you that it is legit. Yeah, I hope this either saves you guys some money on ordering your business cards in the future, or for those of you who don't already have business cards, this is a more affordable option for you if you were trying to cut down on your budget. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys.
Okay, so I hope that screen recording was helpful to show you guys how to actually order from them. The main difference between ordering from like a Vistaprint or from Awesome Merch is that on Awesome Merch, you pay for the business cards before you actually upload the artwork, which is kind of sketchy. That's why I wanted to make sure that I ordered some before I told you guys about it, because $8 for 100 business cards is super affordable. Like, I never thought it would be so inexpensive to find business cards anywhere. And you guys, these business cards are cute. So this is my second time ordering. The video that I just showed you guys is my second time of me ordering. This is what they look like. And these are not glossy, but I actually really like these better. They're matte, but they're thicker than the ones I originally got from Vistaprint. These are, I think, the 16 point. So they're pretty, like, look how thick that is. That's a really thick business card. The colors and everything are perfect. That's what the back looks like. And yeah. Let me show you guys my one that I got from Vistaprint so you guys can see those ones. So this is the one, my original business card that I got from Vistaprint, which I like the glossiness, but I'm actually really feeling this matte business card. And for $8, you cannot beat that. Like, they're thicker than the Vistaprint ones. I don't know if you guys can actually tell on camera, but yeah. These are a lot thicker. Like, these are more like solid too. Like, these are kind of flimsy. Like, honestly, they're kind of flimsy. And I paid $27 for 250 of them, and then $8 for 100 of these, and they're front and back print plus free shipping. I had to pay for shipping when I got them from Vistaprint. So if you guys like this video and it was helpful, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Comment below any other videos that you guys would like to see from me. If you guys have any additional questions about ordering, it was pretty straightforward, but I just wanted to show you guys because I would be kind of like, that's sketchy to pay for your business cards before you upload the artwork of your business card. That I don't understand why they have their website like that, but I just wanted to show you guys that it is legit. These business cards are from Awesome. Sorry. These business cards are from, okay, that one's from Vistaprint, I lied. This is from Awesome Merch, and I got 100 of them for $8, and you can actually order multiple quantities at a time. Like, let's say you wanted to order 300. You can get 300 business cards for $24, and it's still for shipping. So I think overall, it's still a little bit cheaper than going to Vistaprint. And then, like, let's say if you're freshly starting your business and you don't really necessarily have the budget to spend a full $27 to get 250 business cards, you can get 100 of them for $8. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope that you guys actually check them out. I have not reached out to them, which I probably should, to let them know how I appreciate their service. But I think they're based in Texas. I was doing like a little bit of research on their website, and I checked out their Instagram. But yeah, I hope this was helpful. Make sure you guys give me a thumbs up, subscribe, notifications. Yeah, I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys. Bye guys. Bye guys. Bye guys. Bye guys. Bye guys. Bye. Thanks for watching.